If you are the first time watching my video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for seeing my future updates. Let's get started.
Hold me close till I
Happy to see you in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a motion picture on your Android phone or in your smartphone. And the bonus app is Charge Alarm app. This app helps you to when your phone is fully charged. That app helps you to take your phone from the charger. And another advantage is you can set the charge limit like 80%, 90%, 100%. When your phone is 80% charged, the alarm app will alarm you to get your phone from the charger. When your phone is 90% charged, the alarm will help you to get your phone from the charger. And you can enable and disable the charger app if you want, and if you don't want the charge alarm app. If you want the charge alarm app, you can set enable the full battery alarm on the top side and the low battery alarm on the bottom side, and you can set the full alarm charge. I set the full alarm charge when 79% my phone is charged. The alarm will helps you to take away from the charger, and you can when you use your phone and the alarm app helps you to phone is 20% battery low, please put into charger. The alarm app will help you to put your phone from to the charger when your battery is too low. And I set my low battery alarm to 20%. The alarm app helps me to 20% battery is very low, put into the charger. The alarm app will help you to alarm your phone into 20%. If you sleep in the night and you put into the charger on the mobile on the overnight, you can get the phone from your charger. The alarm app helps you. And the another app is Geotropic. This app helps you to make your normal picture to a motion picture. Let's get started and see how the Geotropic app work. Geotropic app is an app to make your picture in motion mode, and you can use all your pictures like clouds, rainfalls and falls. And I can set one image. I choose a cloud image. As you can see, the cloud is not moving, and you can set the cloud to move in this app. This Geotropic app is very helpful to use to move your picture in motion mode. And I can use squishing. First set squishing mode, and you set cloud is move direction. You can set the move direction to right side, left side, outside, downside. You can set the move direction. I can set the direction like this, and you can also set the direction like this. And let's made it. And I am completed the squishing mode, and let's go to the mask mode. The mask mode will helps you to the object cannot move, and you apply the mask mode. And this is a mask mode. And you apply the mask mode on any area, and that area is not moving. The squishing mode helps you to move that area. The mask mode helps you to don't move that. Cannot move that area. Don't move that area.
the storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wasteland.
As you can see, the mask mode is completed, and let's see the overview of this image.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the
and you can see the picture is moving. And thank you for all your support for this channel. Keep support my channel, and I will do my best in this channel. And this picture is cloud is very looking beautiful, and share it to your friends. If you like this video, share this video to your friends like Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Messenger, and share it to all your friends if you like this video. And thank you for all your support. See you next time on the another video. Thank you.